Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to factory reset your Aura photo frame and how you can delete photos in it in 2026. Now, this is useful if you are selling the frame or if you are starting fresh. So on your Aura digital frame, a factory reset is going to remove all of your photos, all of your connected accounts and all of your Wi-Fi settings. The frame will return to its original setup state if you factory reset it. So in order to do it, you just have to basically tap the touch bar on the frame in order to open this type of menu in front of you. Then you need to navigate to the settings and scroll until you find the option that says factory reset. When you are able to find the option, simply select the reset option and confirm your device. Now, if you want to remove the photos without resetting, you can go to Aura application, select the frame and delete the photos individually or in bulk. On your Aura digital frame, you will find this factory reset hole as well. So you can use a pin, and with the help of that pin, you can just simply press and hold it until the screen turns off and then the screen turns on. If it does, it simply means that now you have successfully factory reset your Aura digital frame. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.